In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Wise account on app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money into your Wise balance quickly and without mistakes. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device and signing in if prompted. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and, ideally, your online banking app ready since you'll be sending a transfer from your bank. On the Wise home screen, look for the Add Money button and tap it. This is where you set up the deposit details that Wise needs to match your transfer to your account. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Take a moment to confirm the figure. If there's a minimum amount in your region, the app will let you know. Next, select the currency for this balance. Choose the currency you actually want to hold inside Wise. If you're sending from a bank account in a different currency, keep in mind that exchange rates and fees can apply. Matching the deposit currency to your funding currency can help avoid extra conversion costs. Tap Continue. You may see a brief confirmation or an explanation screen. Tap Continue again to proceed. Wise will now display the bank transfer details for this deposit. This page contains important fields like the account number or IBAN, a sort code or routing number where applicable, the account holder name, and a payment reference unique to your transfer. Do not guess or change any of these details. Use the copy icons next to each field to copy the information exactly. This is the safest way to avoid typos. The payment reference is especially critical. It tells Wise which balance to credit. If your bank asks for a memo, reference, or message, paste that reference there exactly as shown. Now, in your own banking app, create a bank transfer using the details you just copied. Send the exact amount you entered in Wise and double-check that the currency matches your selection. When you've completed the transfer in your bank, return to Wise and tap I've made my bank transfer. This doesn't pull the money from your bank, it simply lets Wise know to watch for your incoming payment. Processing times vary by country and bank. Local transfers can arrive the same day or within a couple of business days. You'll receive a notification when the funds land, and the balance will update in the app. If anything looks off, such as a missing reference or a mismatched currency, contact Wise support through the app before sending another transfer. And for your security, never share your transfer details publicly. That's it. Your money is on its way into your Wise account.